Good morning students, welcome back to our SST class, and today we will do revision of chapter number 3, environment. Okay, so we have already seen what is environment. Environment is the natural world of living and non-living things that surround us. Okay, all the living and non-living things that are around us is called environment. Okay, the land we live in, the air we breathe, the water we drink, the soil in which we grow plants, trees are all natural resources that we find in our environment. Okay, and the act of causing harm to the environment is called pollution. So the act of causing harm to the environment is called pollution, and things such as smoke, waste matters that pollute the environment are called pollutants. Okay, smoke and waste matters, they pollute the environment, so they are called pollutants. There are four main types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Okay, so now let us see about the causes of the pollution. First one is air pollution. All living beings need air to breathe. Okay, when harmful gases mix in the air, it causes air pollution. You can see in the factories smokes are coming out. Okay, so when the gases mix in the air, these harmful gases, it causes air pollution. Okay, if we breathe this polluted air, we suffer from breathing problems like asthma and many other diseases. Air pollution is caused due to the following reasons. What are the reasons? Smoke let out by the vehicles like cars, buses, trucks, poisonous gases released by the factories, burning of dry leaves, waste, coal, petrol, rubber tires, whatever you burn, smoke comes out which is very poisonous. Bursting of crackers, you can see the smoke that also causes air pollution, okay, which results in smoke. Cutting of trees, our main source of oxygen, it also pollutes our air. So water pollution, next pollution is water pollution. So water is very essential for our life. We use water for drinking, cooking, washing, growing plants and other things. When we make the water dirty, it becomes unusual. Okay, you can see this dirty water. Would you like to drink this water? No, because this water is dirty. It has become unusual now. Okay, so there are several human activities by which various water bodies gets polluted. They are as follows: releasing and mixing of sewage, dirty waste water from the houses. Dirty waste water from the houses, they mix in the sewage. Washing clothes and utensils in water bodies. Okay, bathing of animals, dumping of waste by factories, immersion of idols of gods and ashes of the dead. These all things pollute the water. Okay, we must not drink impure water. Okay, we have to find out some ways to purify the water. Polluted water is harmful for human beings as well as plants. It causes several diseases. In human beings, it causes diseases like gastroenteritis, jaundice, typhoid, and even skin diseases. Okay, now let us move on to the next pollution, that is the land pollution. Okay, when we throw the garbage in the land, and then this is called land pollution. We throw the garbage in the land. Okay, this is not good. If the waste are not properly disposed, they cause land pollution. They are not properly disposed, they are causing land pollution. Okay, so land pollution is caused due to the following reason: throwing of garbage and waste by human beings, factories and hospitals in the open, throwing polythene bags in the open, excessive use of chemical fertilizer in the field. When we use excessive chemical fertilizer in the field, they also pollute the land. So pollution of the land harms the living organism in the soil and makes the soil infertile. You can see this soil, this land, how it is polluted, how garbage are being thrown here. Noise. So when we hear a loud sound, we plug our ears. Why? Because it is unpleasant. We don't like to hear such sounds. Such unpleasant sounds is called a noise. Okay, and excessive noise results in noise pollution. And noise pollution is caused by the following: sound produced by horns in cars, buses, trucks, bikes, running of machines in factories, loud music from radio, television, loudspeaker, take off and landing of aeroplanes. These all are causes of noise pollution, and noise pollution harm to our ears and it can even damage our hearing. It also results in our health problems like high blood pressure and stress. How can we prevent? Okay, damage to our environment directly affects us. Therefore, we must prevent pollution and protect our environment. How we will protect our environment? Okay, to save our environment from pollution. Grow more trees as they keep the air around us clean. Use CNG, that is compressed natural gas fitted vehicles. Okay, this will not pollute the air. Okay, we should grow more and more trees. They will keep the air around us clean. We should avoid using horns and loudspeakers when not necessary. We should stop bursting firecrackers. We should reduce, recycle and reuse waste. We should stop using polythene bags. Dispose household waste in a compost pit. A compost pit is a pit dug in the ground around the house to dump household waste. We just dig a hole in the ground and we throw the dust there. That is called compost pit. After some days, these waste turn into manure which can be used for growing plants. Stop throwing garbage into rivers, lakes and ponds. We should stop throwing garbage into rivers, lakes and ponds. This will not pollute the water. Okay, so we have completed the revision of the chapter. We have seen the 4 types of pollution. So, pick the correct option. Which of these is a natural resource? Air, because factory, vehicle and books are man-made. Which of these causes air pollution? That is poisonous gases. When we go for purchasing, we must prefer to carry a jute bag. Okay. Excessive use of fertilizers and dumping of garbage causes land pollution. What happens to the soil when it is polluted? It becomes infertile. We have to match words and phrases in the 3 columns. Land, air, water is a natural resource and part of our environment. Water pollution, waste, sewage water, houses and factories. Land pollution, dumping garbage, use of fertilizers, factories and farmers. Noise pollution will be loud sound, loudspeaker sounds from horns. Air pollution, impure air, burning of chemical, minerals, etc. So air pollution, impure air, burning of chemicals, minerals, etc. Okay, next is replace the underlined words with correct ones to make the statements true. Our surroundings that consist of living and non-living things is called pollution. No, it is environment. Growing of trees causes air pollution. No, cutting of trees. When water from wells is released into rivers and lakes, it results in water pollution. No, it will be sewage. CNG means common natural garbage, common nature's garbage. No, it will be compressed natural gas. Replace, rewrite and refer are the 3 R's that can prevent pollution. No, It will be reduce, recycle and reuse. Next is short answers and long answers. In the last video I have already discussed the question answers. I have made you mark in the book. Okay, so you will write these question answers and you will learn them. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss again, we will revise the next chapter, that is chapter number 4. So till then, take care, bye and thank you children.